Hey guys! So today I'm going to be planting a succulent and orchid arrangement. Now when we've done these arrangements in the past, we end up getting a lot of questions about how this works. So I'm just going to show you a really quick and easy way to do this that will keep both plant types really happy in the same arrangement. So basically all I'm going to do is remove the orchid from the ceramic pot that it came in, leaving it in its plastic nursery pot. I'm going to position it in my container, fill in with dirt all around it, and then plant my succulents as I normally would. Okay, so I'm all finished planting. As you can already see, the succulents have basically hidden the orchid pot down in there already. So the last thing I'm going to do to finish this off is just add my moss top coat, which will hide the pot even more, and then I'll just dust off my plants in my pot. One thing I really like about planting the arrangement this way is that the succulents and the orchid remain in their own individual planting mediums. Another great thing is once the orchid has stopped blooming, you can easily wiggle out the orchid pot from the middle and replace it with a fresh orchid. I'm going to place this arrangement in a spot that receives bright indirect sunlight, and then I'll water it when it's dry about once every week or two. I hope you guys liked this video, and thanks so much for watching.